Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tsholo Phoka. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to cornrow braid your own natural hair. For this tutorial, we're going to be needing a leave-in conditioner, a comb to part your hair, and some clips or headbands to hold your hair in place. So let's get straight into the video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the like button as well as the notification button to get a notification every time I post a new video. Follow me as well on all my social media accounts where I will be keeping you guys updated on every new video I upload. First of all, we're going to open a part on our hair. Use your comb to open this part. At the back of your head, use your hands to follow along with the part. And then take your cell phone or a mirror to check whether the part or the line is straight at the back of your head. When you're done, clip your hair into place so that it doesn't disturb you when you braid. We're going to be using a small amount of leave-in conditioner on the hair that we already parted. We are then going to take 3 sections of hair in the front of our head where we're going to start braiding. We're going to take the first and the third section of your hair and pull it back. Take your index finger of your right hand and put it at the back of the middle section while holding the middle section with your left hand. Pull the middle section to the left with your left hand and put it at the back of your first and third section. Now your left index finger is at the back of your base section, but in front of the middle section. Using your right hand, pull back the first section to the right. Repeat these steps while picking up a small amount of hair for each section while going down along your head. Also, for your cornrow braid to be tight, use your hand to hold down the hair on the hand that is not braiding. As you can see, I start my cornrow braid a bit further from my hairline to protect my hairline. If you want to do yours from the beginning of your hairline, make sure you make your parts or sections smaller in the front. At the end of the braid, we're going to be using some leave-in conditioner to twist the hair because that is the most fragile part of the hair. Now we'll be repeating the action as I demonstrate how to braid your own natural hair. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. And by the way, I'd like to thank my first 100 subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification button to be notified of every time I post a new video. Bye!